Yeah, now we come to this question. It says the concentration versus time graph is for the equilibrium. And this is the equilibrium. And this is the graph, concentration versus time. Then the statement says the changes at T1 and T2 are due to pressure. For time T2, state the change and explain. So what happened at T2 and how do we find out? Okay, the best way to do that is to have the equilibrium written down. Okay, so that is it. And we are dealing with pressure. So what do we do about pressure? We count. These are 4 and these are 2. Okay. After that, you indicate the changes here. Hydrogen, it increased. So indicate it here. What happens to ammonia? It decreased. So you indicate it here. What happened to nitrogen? It increased. So after indicating that one, then you indicate the position. The position is from low to high, so it's reverse. So reverse is favored. And reverse is from low to high. From low number of moles to high number of moles, that is decrease in pressure. Because we are seeing an increase in pressure, you have to know that according to Lacetaria, whatever is done is opposed. So, what happened here? Pressure was decreased. So, the system shifted to increase pressure to counteract the effect of decreasing pressure. So what is our answer here? Pressure decreased. And that is that. So what's the reason? The reason is that the system changes from lower number of moles to high number of moles. Yeah, that is that. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, explain why all graphs spiked downwards first. Okay. Yeah, we can see it here. All the graphs are spiking downwards. Why? The reason is that at T2, the volume of the vessel increased. And when the volume of the vessel increased, all the components, their concentration decreases. That's why there's a spike for each downwards. Yeah, that is that. Yes. Then comes this question. It says, state what happens to rate of reaction. Okay, we have to know that at T2, our pressure is decreasing. And pressure is one of the factors affecting rate of reaction. When pressure decreases, the rate of reaction decreases. So the answer is decrease. So that is that. Yeah, then comes this question. State what happens to the position of reaction. To answer this question, you need the equation. So what is the equation? We have nitrogen reacting with hydrogen to give you ammonia. And what do we do next? You indicate what is here. Okay, we have hydrogen at T2. What happened? It increased. So hydrogen increased. Okay, you have nitrogen at T2. What happened? It increased. So you indicate it there. You have ammonia at T2. What happened? It decreased. And the position is from low to high. So the position is obviously reverse. So we say reverse is favored. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we urge you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. And we also need to remind you that Physical Sciences Silver Bullet is a YouTube science channel dealing with physical sciences, grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences, grade 8 and 9. Our appeal to you is that when you are using this channel, because of its wide scope, don't go to video. You won't be helped. Go to playlist and select material which belongs to your level. Grade 8, you press grade 8 natural sciences. Grade 9, you press grade 9 natural sciences. Grade 10 and 11, each one is represented as grade 10 physical sciences and grade 11 physical sciences. For grade 12, each topic, each chapter is represented as a tile. So just click on the chapter of your interest and all the material will be revealed to you. We love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.